Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Unique Coaching class. Now today we are going to solve sum number 4 in this chapter and it was the like the previous sum. Okay, like the Moody and Desai. So let's start. Kirit, Nilesh and Rajesh agreed to construct a building for a company. Okay, the same point in a previous sum, the point is construct a gymnasium hall. Now here construct a building. So almost the same point like the previous sum, but here there are some minor twist point. They decided to share profit loss in 3 raised to 1 and deposit 540 in their joint bank account as per their profit sharing ratio. Okay, like 540 deposit કરાવ્યા છે total 3 to 1 ના ratio માં. Expense were as under. Amount paid from joint bank account wages material plant 390 610 40. Okay, these all expense paid from joint bank account. Architect fee paid by Kirit 30,000. So Kirite payment કર્યું છે. Mixture machine brought by Nilesh. So આપણે debit side effect આપીશું. Okay, we have to give this effect debit side Nilesh account because Nilesh લાવે છે. Then vehicle brought by Mr. Rajesh. Okay, so here every partner take something. Okay, give something in business. On complete of the work, Mr. Kirit took away materials in stock for 25,000. Mr. Nilesh took away mixture machine for 20,000. Mr. Rajesh took away vehicle for 30,000. Plant realized 10,000. So after end of the contract, they take over whatever remaining in business. Rupees 9 lakh being 75% of amount of contract price was received through bank draft and the 12% debenture were received for the balance which were purchased by Mr. Kirit at 20% less than its face value. So this point about the contract price. Prepare joint venture account, joint bank account and partners account in the books of firm assuming that they have been settled among the partners. So in this question the important point is the contract price compared to the previous sum, otherwise almost same point. Okay, તો જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પોઈન્ટ છે કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ પ્રાઇસમાં છે તો જ્યારે એ પોઈન્ટ આવશે ત્યારે આપણે જોઈશું. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ ટુ ગીવ ઇફેક્ટ. ઓકે, so here they deposit money into joint bank account in this ratio total 540 છે અને 3 raised to 2 raised to 1 માં distribute કરીશું. So you will get 270 180 and 19. So let's give that effect Kirit, Nilesh and Rajesh. So partners accounts માં ક્યાં આવશે? To credit side. So here joint bank account I write here in short because there is no enough space. Okay, to short માં લખી દેવીશ 270 180 and 90. And second effect joint bank account debit side to the name is Kirit, then Nilesh, then Rajesh. Okay, amount 270 180 and 90. After that amount paid from their joint bank account wages material and plant 390 610 and 40. So joint bank account માંથી payment કરે છે and it's a expenses. So joint venture account debit side to joint bank account the expenses. Okay, which expenses paid by them? So the bank from bank account wages material and the plant 390 610 and 40, total 10 lakh 40,000. And second effect this joint bank account second effect will be transferred to joint bank account to joint venture dash expense total 10 lakh 40,000. So simple point, there is nothing twist point. Now everyone do something about the business. First of all Kirit paid architect fee, Nilesh brought machine mixture machine and Rajesh brought vehicles. Okay, 30 55 and 40. So we should give all this effect on which debit side. Okay, business માં એક રીતનો expenses કરે છે લોકો. So all entry will come debit side to Kirit about the architect fee 30,000. Okay, then to Nilesh. Okay, Nilesh શું લાવે છે? That is mixture machine, that was the 55. and the last was, who is last? The Rajesh vehicle લાવે છે. તો Rajesh brought vehicle. Whatever partner bring in business give effect debit side, and all of this cross entry into their account. Okay, Kirit, Nilesh and Rajesh. So joint venture, architect fees, joint venture, then mixture machine, joint venture, and last vehicle. Okay, amount here 30,000 Kirit, here Nilesh 55,000, and here Rajesh 40,000. Then on complete of the work, Mr. Kirit took away materials for stock 25,000. Mr. Nilesh took away mixer machine for 20,000 and Rajesh took away vehicle for 30,000. Now what happened here? Very simple. When they bring in business, so we give effect joint venture debit side. Now at the end of the work, at the end of the work, they take over back, right? So we give effect now what? Credit side. જ્યારે લાવે છે ત્યારે debit side આપ્યું, હવે લઈ જાય છે ત્યારે credit side. So Mr. Kirit took away material 25, Nilesh took away mixture machine 20 and Rajesh took away vehicles. Okay, so બધી entry का આવશે credit side. To Kirit material. Okay, material 25. Then to Nilesh mixture machine 20,000. And then to Rajesh vehicle લઈ જાય છે 30,000. Okay. Then one more point, plant realized 10,000. Remember, realize means sold. Okay, realize એટલે કે ઉપજ્યા એટલે કે sell કરી દીધું છે એમ. So here they sold the plant 10,000. Now what's its effect? Very simple, plant sold કર્યું છે. So what will be journal? Plant sold કર્યું means we received money. So bank account debit થશે to plant account, right? So how do we give effect? So think practically, when this mixture machine, this vehicle, if partner take over that, then we give effect credit side. But if we sold, so also we give effect credit side but to bank account. Okay, તો અહીંયા પણ શું થયું છે? પ્લાન્ટ એક રીતનો સોલ્ડ થયો છે. જ્યારે પાર્ટનર લઈ જાય છે, આપણે એન્ટ્રી કે આપીએ છીએ ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ આપીએ છીએ. When this all of things taken over by the partners, okay, at the end of the year, at the end of the work, so we give effect all credit side. So if we sold that, so we give effect credit side, right? Or also you can think another way, we sold the plant 10,000, so 10,000 is our income. Okay, 10,000 આપની income પણ થઈ છે. So there are many aspects, you just think about that. So આપને plant sold કર્યો છે, so indirectly it's a income, right? So 10,000 આપણે અહીંયા show કરી શકીએ છીએ, plant sold કર્યો છે. So we received money, so we write bank account. Clear? Here we received money, so that we should write bank account. So this the different point compared to the previous sum. Now let's give all of this second effect બાકી છે. So Kirit, Nilesh, Rajesh, material, mixer machine and vehicles 25, 20 and 30. So joint venture, material 25, then joint venture, that is mixture machine, Nilesh 20, and the joint venture last was a vehicle 30. Okay, and this is joint bank account mouse hai. Debit side, we received money, we sold the plan. So to joint venture, plan sold 10,000. So this is the all the normal effect. Now the twist point which comes here, okay, compared to the previous sum, જે ખરેખર twist point છે તે હવે આવે છે, that was about the contract price. So let's see that. So here what's the point is, rupees 9 lakh was received through bank draft. Okay, read the question carefully. Many students done mistake here. Okay, ઘણા સ્ટુડન્ટ અહીંયા ભૂલ થઈ જાય છે. So read properly. What is the amount of 9 lakh? 9 lakh was received through bank draft and 12% debenture were received for the balance which were purchased by Mr. Kirit at 20% less than its face value. So think here what we get as a cash contract price. Okay, contract price માં શું મળ્યું છે? So we get bank draft and debenture. Okay, think practically what we get. So here received bank draft and 12% debenture. So here one important point is what we received as a contract price. Okay, contract price માં આપણે શું મળ્યું છે? We received contract price, that is bank draft plus 12% debenture. First of all, clear this, we received draft and debenture. Now this is 9 lakh. Remember, almost students think that their 9 lakh was contract price. So remember, it is not the contract price. Read the question carefully. It is not the amount of contract price. Student અહીંયા mistake કરી બેસે છે. Read properly. 9 lakh. Right now forget this. 9 lakh was received through bank draft. Read properly. 9 lakh was received through bank draft. ઓકે, એટલે 9 લાખ રિસીવ્ડ થઈ ગયા છે થ્રુ બેંક ડ્રાફ્ટ, એટલે ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી આનો મીનિંગ શું થયો કે આપણે 9 લાખ નો તો બેંક ડ્રાફ્ટ મળ્યો છે. તો ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી અવર બેંક ડ્રાફ્ટ ઇઝ 9 લાખ. નોર્મલી સ્ટુડન્ટ વોટ મેડ a mistake, they think that 9 lakh contract price, okay, and 75% amount a bank draft છે અને 25% debenture છે. They made a mistake like this. Okay, so here first of all important part is that 9 lakh is not the contract price, it is the amount of bank draft. In this question they did not give the amount of debenture, okay, and also did not give the amount of contract price, but instead of that they give amount of bank draft, right? So now what will be the amount of debenture? Debenture amount કઈ રીતે મળશે? So look at here, being 75% amount of contract price, એટલે કે આ જે 9 લાખ છે એ શું છે? contract price ના કેટલા છે? 75% છે. being 75% amount of contract price means this is 9 lakh we received as a 75% of contract price ના છે. એટલે indirectly what it means that કે જે contract price છે, whatever contract price we received 75% as a 9 lakh. okay, 75% જે મળ્યા છે એ 9 લાખ માં, એટલે 75% કરતા આપણે 9 લાખ મળ્યા છે, that was amount of bank draft. indirectly this 9 lakh it's a 75% of contract price ના છે. ઓકે, આ જે 9 લાખ છે it's a 75% of contract price. જે બી contract price છે એના 75% 9 લાખ છે. So remember 9 lakh is not the contract price, it is the amount of bank draft. So how much the contract price? Suppose contract price is 100. Okay, so how much bank draft we received? So here bank draft is 75% of the contract. Okay, 75% a contract price na 75% apne bank draft મળ્યો છે. So actually I think don't require to suppose, you will get directly amount. Okay, suppose કરવાની પણ જરૂર નથી, directly amount received થશે. Just think practically. Here what they say that 75% amount of contract price. Okay, it means it is a 75% amount of contract, એટલે કે આ 75% વાળી amount છે, right? We get this 9 lakh when we done 75% of contract price. contract price ના જ્યારે આપણે 75% કર્યા ત્યારે આપણે 9 lakh મળ્યા છે. So suppose કરવું હોય, so you can suppose this way, suppose contract price 100. okay, so how much we received bank draft? It is 75% of contract price. Okay, so now put this step. If bank draft is 75, then contract price is 100. So our actually bank draft 9 lakh. So what will be contract price? So you will get 12 lakh contract price. If you put this step, so this way you will get answer, and just think your mind, so you will get directly answer. Directly પણ amount આવી જાય. આ જે amount છે 75% કરીને આવેલી છે. So it is the amount of 75%. So you can directly put this step. 75 માં 9 lakh છે. So what will be in 100? Because it is the amount of 75% ની amount છે. આ કઈ amount છે? 75% ની amount છે. 75% ભાગ છે આ. તો 75 માં 9 lakh, 100 માં કેટલા? So this way you can get answer, and this is the basic way by suppose that contract price suppose 100. Okay, so bank draft કેટલા છે 75 છે ના. So bank draft 75, then contract price 100. So our bank draft 9 lakhs. So what will be cash contract price? So now here we get that our contract price is 12 lakh. Okay, and from this 12 lakh we received 9 lakh what bank draft, and the remaining means 3 lakh we received debenture. Okay, now let's give effect. We get this contract price 12 lakh apne mera che. So I told you it is our income. So we have to show joint venture account credit side. First joint bank account about the contract price કેટલાનો draft મળ્યો છે, we get 9 lakh rupees, and we get 3 lakh debenture. So it will be credit side debenture as a contract price 3 lakh. Now let's give this both effect to their account. Joint bank to joint bank, debenture to debenture. To joint venture contract price 9 lakh, and we have to prepare debenture account like the previous sum. To joint venture contract price 3 lakh. So here actually important parts this was how much the amount of debenture. That's the important point here. Otherwise almost same point like a previous sum. Now next what? So look at here, 12% debenture were received for the balance which were purchased by Mr. Kirit at 20% less than its face value. In a previous sum, we saw that some debenture has been sold in market and some debenture take over by Desai. Here, all debenture were take over by Mr. Kirit 20% less. બધા કોણ લઈ જાય છે? Kirit લઈ જાય છે 20% less. So what will be journal? Kirit take over this. જે 3 lakh ના debenture છે, Kirit લઈ જાય છે. So what will be journal? So Kirit will be debit to debenture. ઓકે, હવે કેટલામાં લઈ જાય છે? 3 લાખ ના છે પણ 20% લેસ લઈ જાય છે. સો 3 lakh debenture છે, right, and 20% less. So what will be 20%? It will be 60,000. So it will be take over by how much? 240. Okay, like કિરીટ કેટલામાં લઈ જાય છે? 240 માં, અને 60,000 less it is indirectly our loss. So we transfer to joint venture our loss to debenture. So this will be journal. Okay, the same point in a previous video. So Kirit debit, joint venture debit. Okay, Kirit account debit side, debenture 240, joint venture debit side to debenture less price or loss, and the debenture account where debenture account here debenture is credit. So debenture account credit side, debenture account credit side by Kirit 240 and by joint venture 60. So we have give all the effect. Now let's the close account, but remember here we prepared debenture also. So first of all close the debenture and it will be always balance. Okay, સૌથી પહેલા આપણે debenture close કરીશું ને always શું થઈ જશે? Balance થઈ જશે. Now let's close the another account one by one. First of all we close the joint venture. Okay, so let's close this joint venture 25, 20, 30, 10, 9 lakh, 3 lakhs, 12 lakh 85,000 total. 1285. Less all this amount 10, 40, 30, 55, 40 and 60. 60,000 is difference. So it will be profit. Kirit, Nilesh and Rajesh. Ratio is 3 to 1. So 30, 20 and 1. Transfer to their partner's account. Joint venture profit 30, 20 and 10. So 90 and 10, 140 total here. minus 30, so difference 1,10,000. 180, 55 and 20, total 255 minus 20, so 235 difference. 270, 30 and 30, total 3,30,000 minus 25 minus 240, difference comes 65. So these all difference transfer to joint bank account. 65, 235, 110 to Kirit, to Nilesh and to Rajesh. Okay, amount 65, 235 and 110. So 10, 40, 65, 235, 110. 10, 40, 65, 235, 110. Total 14 lakh 50,000 this side. And here 270, 180, 90, 10 and 9 lakh. So 40 lakh 50,000. So both side balance.